Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot. Now, as I record this within the last hour, Russia's defense ministry has announced that some of its troops on the border with Ukraine are returning to their bases after completing their drills. It's just a game, as we know, and many of us still play the popular board game Risk. And perhaps Mr. Putin does and is miffed by the fact that Russia doesn't have a presence on the board game to the same extent that Ukraine certainly does. Well, regardless of who plays the game, markets are trying to stage a recovery on the back of that news about a potential de-escalation of tensions within. Now, companies that have their operations within the former Soviet Union, the FSU, are seeing their stock prices benefit from that news. Take Sharat Gold, for example. It is a mining company with operations in Kyrgyzstan and Armenia, two nations that declared their independence from the Soviet Republic way back in 1991. And Sharat Gold says the two areas do not have the complicated relationship with Russia that the Ukraine currently has. Well, shares plummeted over 30% in W Resources. This is the tin, tungsten and gold mining company with assets in Portugal and Spain. The company's revealed it had a torrid fourth quarter, a 2-week delay in blasting, heavy rainfall constraining the crushed ore operations, supply chain issues, and it needs more money in the short term. Well, that hopefully is all the bad news out and onwards. Hopefully it will successfully renegotiate its funding position just a year after its capital reorganization. Well, it's quiet with half-term proving to be a distraction, though HMRC, the UK tax department, has seized 3 non-fungible tokens as part of an investigation into a suspected VAT fraud scheme involving 250 fake companies. Now, it's the first time a UK law enforcement agency has seized an NFT which has no tangible form of its own. So in terms of NFTs, I'm thinking about the Aquis Exchange listed company Coincilium with the ticker Coin. It has exposure to NFTs. It is the blockchain and open finance venture builder, and it's trialing an NFT marketplace. Well, in terms of the big company announcements that we can look forward to, Reckitt, the company formerly known as Reckitt Benckiser, is revealing its full year results on Thursday. It is the maker of Dettol, Lysol, Nurofen, Durex Finish and Vanish, amongst others. Well, Laura Hoy, equity analyst at Hargreaves Lansdown, is guiding us to watch out for pandemic-related product sales and guidance about flus and colds, because what else is half-term known for? I hope you're well. Take care. I'll see you same time next week.